Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to make a static mask in CapCut. What do I mean by this? A static mask means that you can hide a part of a video no matter its position or scale. Let me show you an example. In this video you can see that I have the same video, one with a small zoom and another one with a big zoom. To show you how I did that, let me uncompound this clip, and I'm using an image which looks like that, black and white image. White color will become transparent and black color will remain black. Then I change blending mode to darken. In such case, white color becomes transparent and I can do modifications of position or scale in the bottom layer here. I can make automations like that, and no matter what, this segment have its boundaries. Then I make a compound clip. So I got this result, black image and my video. And then I change blending mode once again to brighten. And now black color becomes transparent and I have two videos combined together. Why am I doing this trick? Because by default, when you are using mask in CapCut, it moves with the video itself. You are moving video and mask is moving too. So I want to make it static. And to make it static, I am using these additional layers with two solid colors. Black, which is the mask, and white, which is transparency. So let me repeat this again. For the most upper layer, you use darken blending mode, then you create a compound clip, and then you use brighten blending mode. And in such case, you are getting a static mask for combining multiple videos and making keyframing, scaling, etc.